Okay, good morning everybody from the beautiful South Coast area. Okay, I'm here at the house to do a COC. I'm busy doing all my testing. I saw the client had this installed, not by me, by someone else. It's supposed to be, yeah. I can't actually complain too much. It's just this break over here. It's a 25, and if you work it out, your inverter here, the sun sink, pushes out 20 amps, but I can handle a little bit of a larger load for a couple of seconds. So I'm not complaining about that 25 too much. I would rather change it to a 20. And the 63, I would have changed it to a 32 amp double pole breaker, because that's this a disconnecting switch. As a double pole disconnecting switch. But anyways, the installation is actually done not too bad. Would have put blank offs there just to close the gap so it doesn't look that bad. But anyways, but the installation is done not too bad. Can't complain too much about it. I'll show you the fault what I found on the system. Okay, we're back. I'm going to show you something. Yeah, me and my dad come doing the the COC inspection. Now, what I found was, if you look here, by your earth leakage, look the way they breached it. Coming in at the bottom, same at the top, coming in from the neutral side and going in the bottom. That breach over there. Now I'm going to show you guys something. Okay. Now everything is on now. I press my test button. Nothing. Okay, I'll be back with you guys now. Okay, sorry, I had a phone call I had to attend to. Now as you can see, I pressed the test button. Nothing, not tripping. And that's dangerous. The earth leakage is there to protect you. Now, I'm gonna go over here with my plug tester. As you can see, the power is on. My light's burning. Nothing. 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 So yeah, that's the first fault I found on this house. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out that bridging. Hopefully we don't have a nuisance stripping, so that's what I was expecting what happened. So they breached it. So I'm gonna take it out and see what happens. Then I'll update you guys now. Okay, as you can see, I took out the bridge. Is it there? My dad's gonna press the plug tester now. There you go, it's working. Pressing test button, working. So there you go, that's the first fault. So now a person has to check very thoroughly what's going on here. Okay guys. Okay. How's it guys? Hope everything is well there by you guys. Just to add on to the videos I made. Okay, other problems what I found on the system, but I didn't mention on the video, that the inverter system wasn't installed on a fireproof wall because it is a wooden cabin, or wooden house you guys will call it. Unfortunately, I didn't mention that on the video because that's actually very important. If you're going to be installing any inverter system onto a wooden wall and that, you need to put at least a cement fiber board first, and then install your inverter and battery equipment then onto that, because it gives us a little bit of a more of a safety fireproof barrier. It helps, and you're supposed to do it that way. Also, of the battery fuses, one was a 125 amp, the other one was a 160 amp. On a small system like that, I like to put up a 60 amp fuses for the battery. Some other guys, you put in for for a little bit larger battery banks, you add your fuses go a little bit up, like 125 and then 160. 160 is for like a very big battery bank system. I think most of you guys watching this already knows all of that stuff. So yeah, and then also the indicator lights of that long wire on the DB board. I cut that a little bit shorter to make it a little bit neater also. That was very long. I would rather use like a a dual indicator light from Shunt. The red and the green one was a circuit breaker one. Dual indicator light. That actually works quite lekker and looks much better. Instead of drilling holes into the DB and place those little indicator lights onto it. But it works. Can't complain actually too much of the system. My biggest complaint was the bypass on the earth leakage. What I found, I don't know why they did it. I have no clue why. We did a test. We switched on the stove, the oven. We even switched on the air, the client's hair dryer, and nothing tripped, no issues, nothing. So we have no clue why it was bypassed. So yeah, things what you find in the field. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and yeah, as I get time and find funny things like that, I'll try and make videos of it. Thank you. Enjoy.